Hello students, welcome to the chapter Relations and Functions. Dear students, in the last videos we have discussed relations as well as functions, types of relations and types of functions we have discussed, and now we are at lecture 8. In this video I am going to teach you the 5 mark questions on invertible function. Dear students, one of the very important concept, that is invertible function, the definition and the method of saying the function is invertible function we have discussed in the last video, that is lecture 7. In this lecture, let me solve some questions on invertible function, that too 5 mark questions. Dear students, I would like to recall invertible function means what. The method number 1 is f composition z is equal to g composition f and it is equal to identity function. Here f is invertible function and g is inverse of f. This is method number 1 and we denote it as the inverse of f is f inverse. Number 2, method number 2, the same invertible function. Suppose f is 1 1 and onto, then the function is called as invertible function. F is invertible function. Hope you are understanding method number 1, method number 2. So the method number 2 is very simple. This method 2 is very simple to solve the questions on invertible functions. What is that method number 2? If the function is 1 1 and onto, then the function is invertible. So taking this method, let me solve the questions on invertible functions. Already you know the meaning of 1 1 and onto function. The function f from minus 1 to 1 to real numbers given by f of x is equal to x upon x plus 2, where x is not equal to minus 2 is 1 1. Find the inverse of the function f from minus 1 to 1, the range of the function f. This is just proving the function is 1 1. Solution of this one. Let me go for first 1 1 function. F of a is equal to f of b. Suppose images are equal, then f of a according to f of x equal to x plus 2, just write a in place of x, then I'll get a upon a plus 2. So f of a is a upon a plus 2 is equal to f of b upon b plus 2. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means a into b plus 2, b into a plus 2. This is called cross multiplication in the next step. So that ab plus a2 or 2a is equal to ba or ab plus 2b. So this is cross multiplication. ab and ba will get cancelled. 2 and 2 also will get cancelled. So we get with a equal to b. So images are equal and elements are equal. For the elements a comma b, images are equal, elements are equal. Then shall we call this function is 1 1? Definitely the function is 1 1. Next, consider the function f from minus 1 to 1 to range of the function f. Dear students, here range of f is itself codomain. Hope you are understanding. Range of f is nothing but codomain of the function f. Then easily we say that this is onto function. So onto function, range of f is equal to codomain of the function. Therefore this function is onto function. And inverse exists. Definitely if the function is 1 1 and onto, then inverse exists. Then what is the inverse? To find the inverse, let me have the diagram. F from minus 1 comma 1 to range of f. Here minus 1 comma 1 is domain and codomain is the range of the function itself. So look at the diagram to find the inverse. Let f inverse of x equal to y. Here if I take f inverse right side, x equal to f of y I get, and x is equal to f of y upon y plus 2. Then cross multiply, taking y plus 2 to the left side, so that x into y plus 2 is equal to y. Xy plus 2x is equal to y. Solving for x, so that 2x is equal to y minus yx, then only x is equal to what we are going to get, taking y common in the right side, then only y is equal to 2x upon 1 minus x. So here I am taking 1 minus x to the left side, so that I get y equal to 2x upon 1 minus x. Therefore f inverse of x you have denoted as f inverse of x is equal to y, and you got y value as 2x upon 1 minus x. Therefore f inverse is 2x upon 1 minus x. This is the inverse of the function x upon x plus 2. Let me take the next question. Very important for 5 mark. Consider f from R to R given by f of x equal to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible. Find the inverse of f. Students, show that f is invertible. So here it means that you should prove the function is 1 1 and the function is onto. Then it is called as invertible. So I call this as step 1. This is step 2. So in step 1 we get the function is 1 1. In the step 2 we get the function is onto. Later we will find the inverse of the function. After proving 1 1 onto, we will find the inverse. Solution. First we will have 1 1. Suppose images are equal, f of a equal to f of b. So what are f of a and f of b value according to this function? That is 4a plus 3 is equal to 4b plus 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Then 4a equal to 4b. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. A equal to b for any ab in the domain of the function. So images are equal, elements are equal. F of a equal to f of b implies a equal to b. Then the function is 1 1 function. Next, onto. To discuss onto function, take the diagram f from R to R. Here domain is capital R, codomain is also capital R. A belongs to capital R means domain. B belongs to capital R, that is codomain. So here B is equal to f of A. Let B belongs to capital R called codomain be an element. If possible, let A belongs to capital R, that is domain, be the pre-image. So f of A is equal to B definitely. F of A is 4a plus 3 equal to B, and find out A value. So 4a is equal to B minus 3 and a is equal to b minus 3 by 4. So this belongs to R, that is domain. So for every b there is a. Hope you all remember onto. Every element in the codomain are the images. Therefore range is equal to codomain, hence the function is onto. And inverse exist. When the function is 1 1 and onto, it is invertible and inverse exist. To find the inverse, let f inverse of x equal to y. You have to denote f inverse of x equal to y. So x equal to f of y. So x is equal to, what is f of y? You have f of x. Now f of y will be just 4y plus 3. So now I am going to replace f of y as 4y plus 3 and calculate for y. 4y is equal to x minus 3 and y is equal to x minus 3 upon 4. So f inverse of x is equal to y we have denoted. So f inverse of x is equal to x minus 3 upon 4. This is the inverse of the function. Dear students, it is a question for 5 mark, 2 mark for 1 1, 2 mark for onto. I will write here. Proving 1 1 you will get 2 mark. Proving onto you will get 2 mark. Finding the inverse, you will get 1 mark. So overall this is a question of 5 mark. So you will prepare for the examination if you understand it. Let me go to the next example. Consider f from r plus 2 the 4 comma infinity given by f of x equal to x square plus 4. Show that f is invertible with the inverse f inverse of f given by f inverse of y only they have given, that is root of y minus 4, where r plus is represents the set of all non-negative real numbers. Non-negative real numbers means positive real numbers. So taking this function, let us prove this is invertible. Invertible means again the function should be 1 1 on 2. So let us have the solution. First 1 1. Again I follow the same method. F of a equal to f of b. Then the substitute in the function f of x, that will be a square plus 4, b square plus 4. 4 and 4 cancel. A square is equal to b square. The set contains only positive numbers. Definitely the domain contains only positive numbers. Then a is equal to b. Images are equal, elements are equal. Then the function is 1 1 function. Next on to, dear students, x square is always greater than or equal to 0. No doubt it is always 0 and greater than 0. If I add 4 to this, what happens? I get 4 on both sides. If I add x square plus 4 greater than or equal to 4, then is the x square plus 4 is your f of x? Definitely. So f of x is greater than or equal to 4. The maximum value of f of x does not exist because x square plus 4 is greater than 4. But what is the last value? So does not exist. But minimum value of f of x is 4. It means that the range of this function starts from 4 up to infinity. So the range is 4 comma infinity. What about the codomain? That is also 4 comma infinity. Hence this is equal to codomain, and we arrived at range of f is equal to codomain. Then the function is onto function. This is one way of proving the function is onto. Then inverse exists. Another way of proving onto, let us have a look. The formal that we had in the previous example. Let B belongs to the codomain, be an element. If possible, let A belongs to the domain, be the pre-image. F of A is equal to B implies f of A is A square plus 4 equal to B, and solving for A, so that I get A equal to B minus 4, and if I take square root right side, A equal to under the root B minus 4, and it belongs to R plus, that is domain. So here every element in the codomain has the pre-image. Every element is the image of some element in the domain, hence the function is onto function. So this is another way, and here also we got the function is 1 1 and onto and inverse exist. Either you write the first method of proving onto or this method of proving onto in the examination. Any one you write, you will get the marks. Then we'll go for inverse. To find the inverse, let f inverse of x is equal to y and x is equal to f of y. So according to the function f of x equal to x square plus 4, f of y will be y square plus 4. Now I will solve for y. So y square is equal to x minus 4 and y is equal to under the root x minus 4. So f inverse of x we have taken as y. Here the y value is under the root x minus 4. Therefore f inverse of x equal to root of x minus 4, and that is the inverse. Okay, we'll continue the next question. Very important for 5 mark. Consider f from r plus to minus 5 comma infinity given by f of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Show that f is invertible with the inverse f inverse of y equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 upon 3. Students, we have to prove the function is invertible, and already we have the inverse. How to prove the function is invertible? Just proving the function is 1 1 and onto. Let us have the solution. Before that, look at the function f of x, 9x square plus 6x minus 5. We will simplify this first because it is a quadratic equation. So to make it very simple, let us simplify 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Dear students, 9x square I will write it as 3x the whole square plus 6x I will write it as 2 into 3x into 1 and plus 1 square minus 1 square and the last number minus 5. Why I can write like this? Why I am writing like this? If I write a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is going to be a formula called a plus b the whole square. So that I am going to get minus 1 minus 5 and a plus b the whole square form. So if you write like this, you can easily prove 1 1 onto. So you can see that a plus b the whole square means 3x plus 1 the whole square and minus 1 minus 5. So 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 minus 5 can be written minus 6. This is your new f of x. Dear students, don't think that is different, this is different. F of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5 is the same as 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 6. Both are same. So if I take 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 6, this seems very simple for us. So let us go for the function 1 1. Images are equal, f of a equal to f of b. So go on writing a in this function and b in that function. So 3a plus 1 the whole square minus 6 is equal to 3b plus 1 the whole square minus 6. So minus 6 gets cancelled and the remaining terms I am writing. Square and square cancel. 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 1. 1 1 cancel. 3a equal to 3b and 3 cancel. That is a equal to b. See how simply we got the images are equal implies elements are equal. So solving this function, this quadratic function is very important, students, using a plus b the whole square, so that we can get easily the function 1 1 and also onto. Next we'll go for onto. Dear students, now we will prove this function is onto function. How we can prove it? Let b belongs to minus 5 comma infinity, codomain be an element. If possible, let a belongs to r plus, that is domain, be the pre-image. F of a is equal to b implies 3a plus 1 the whole square minus 6 is equal to b. Solve for a value, so that I am going to get this calculation part. 3a plus 1 equal to root of b plus 6 and 3a equal to root of b plus 6 minus 1, because plus 1 you can take minus 1. So a is equal to minus 1 plus root of b plus 6 upon 3. This is a and it belongs to r plus. For every b there is a. Therefore the function is onto and inverse exists. Let me go for inverse. To find the inverse, let f inverse of y equal to x and y equal to f of x. And we know that y function is 3x plus 1 the whole square minus 6 is equal to y, and 3x plus 1 the whole square is equal to y plus 6, and 3x plus 1 is equal to root of y plus 6. 3x is equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 or minus 1 plus root of y plus 6, and x is equal to minus 1 plus root of y plus 6 upon 3. This belongs to the domain, and f inverse of y is equal to x means minus 1 plus root of y plus 6 upon 3, and this is the inverse of the function. Hope you understood. A 5-mark question. It is very simple when you solve 9x square plus 6x minus 5 using a plus b the whole square. Let us go for the next question. Very important. Let f from n to r be a function defined as f of x equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Show that f from n to s where S is the range of f is invertible, find the inverse of f. Here you need to prove f from n to s is invertible. So solution of the question, let me take f of x equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Like previous example, we'll take a plus b the whole square and solve it. 4x square can be written 2x the whole square plus 12x, I will write it as 2 into 2x into 3, so that we get 12x. Here b value is 3, so plus 3 square minus 3 square and plus 15. So from 2x the whole square to 3 square, we are going to get a plus b the whole square here, so that I put it in 2x plus 3 the whole square. It is a plus b the whole square minus 3 square is 9 plus 15. So 2x plus 3 the whole square, 15 minus 9 is plus 6. Dear students, as we solved in the earlier 4x square plus 12x plus 15, after using a plus b the whole square, we are going to get it in the form of 2x plus 3 the whole square plus 6. Both are same. To simplify 1 onto, let us consider f of x as 2x plus 3 the whole square plus 6. So start with 1. F of a equal to f of b, images are equal. So I will write a, b in that 2x plus 3 the whole square plus 6, so that I get these two value. Plus 6 cancel. 2a plus 3 the whole square is equal to 2b plus 3 the whole square. Squares cancel. 2a plus 3 equal to 2b plus 3. 3 cancel. 2a is equal to 2b. Dear students, a is equal to b. It means that images are equal, elements are equal, the function is 1 function. Then we'll go for onto function. Range of the function is equal to codomain. How I got to know that range of the function is equal to codomain? Here you can see S is the codomain and here S is the range. It means that range of the function is equal to codomain, therefore function is onto. To find the inverse, let f inverse of y equal to x and y equal to f of x and 2x plus 3 the whole square plus 6 is equal to y. Solve for x here. 2x plus 3 the whole square is equal to y minus 6 and 2x plus 3 equal to y minus 6 under the root, because square goes to the right side, and 2x is equal to 3 will go to the right side, so minus 3 plus root of y minus 6, and x is equal to minus 3 plus root of y minus 6 upon 2. So you can observe f inverse of y is equal to x. So f inverse of y is equal to this minus 3 plus root of y minus 6 upon 2. So this is going to be the inverse of this function. Hence we proved the function is invertible, proving that 1 and onto, and also we got inverse of the function. Hence we solved the 5 mark questions on invertible functions. So thank you students. This is about functions chapter. In the function chapter you should simplify 1 function, onto function and bijective function problems, and then composition of functions problems, and then invertible functions. In invertible functions you please concentrate more on 5 mark section. Means in this video I have solved 5 mark questions. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video with further information about relations and functions chapter.